Guys, the video which you just saw went super viral on TikTok, so I thought why not make a video on this topic. So guys, editing this video is actually quite simple and easy. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to edit this video in few minutes. Guys, this video is gonna be an interesting video, so watch this video till the end. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Guys, before we start the video, make sure to drop a like on this video so that it motivates me in making videos such as this. Okay guys, and if you're new to my channel, then also consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now go on to your KineMaster application and click on this option and select the 9:16 video ratio. Now guys, select the video which you just recorded on your phone. And guys, don't worry, okay, I'm gonna just show you how to record the video. Okay guys, now to record the video, go to a place where there's a open sky. If you record the video in an open ground, then that will be perfect. Now set the camera in one position and click on the record option. Once video starts recording, throw the shirt or the jacket and immediately run to that spot and wear the jacket. Guys, remember everything should be recorded in one single video. Now try to jump on that exact spot and slowly walk towards the camera. Okay guys, now I'll cut the video where the jacket almost touches the ground. To cut the video, tap on the video and click on the scissors option and click on splitted playhead. Now you'll have to select that point where you'll make a jump. Now select that point where you're up in the sky. Now tap on the video, go to the scissors option and click on splitted playhead. Okay guys, now I'm gonna delete this part of the video which is not wanted. To delete this clip, tap on the video and click on this option. Now I'll play the video once to check how the video looks. Guys, the video clip is too fast, so I'll just reduce the speed. For this, tap on the clip and go to the speed option and set the speed according to your needs. Now I'll just play the video once. I think I should reduce the speed of this clip also. So tap on the video, go to the scissors option and set the speed. Okay guys, so far the video has come out very nice. Now tap on the layers option and import the video where the birds are flying. Guys, I've given the link to this birds VFX video in the description. So click on that link and download the video. In this video, you can see that beach is seen. I'll just crop out the beach. So for this, tap on the video and click on the cropping option. Now I'll just crop out the beach from the video. Now just drag and enlarge the video so that it fits the entire half of the screen. Guys, take your time and edit the video because the more time you spend, better the video. Okay guys, now if you scroll all the way down, you will find an option called blending. So click on this option. Now again go all the way down and click on the darken option. Now I'll play the video once. Oh guys, the video has come out very nice. Okay guys, now let's add the transition to this video clip. Now tap on the transition and select the classic transitions. Here select the second effect and choose what type of color you want. I'm gonna select white. Now I'll play the video once more just to check how the video looks. Yeah guys, the video has come out pretty awesome. Okay guys, now I'll just cut off the excess length of the video. Now click on the layers option and I'll select the music for this video. Guys, if you want the same exact music, then I've given a link in the description to my TikTok video. So you can go there and use my music. Now click on the scissors option and select extract audio. Okay guys, now the audio has been separated from the video. Now to delete this video clip, tap on the video and click on this option. Okay guys, now just adjust the audio so that it matches the video. Okay guys, now I'll just play the video once more to check how the video looks. So yeah guys, with music, the video looks even more better. Now I'll just trim off the excess video. Now tap on trim and split option and select trim to right of playhead. Guys, and also I've given the link to my Instagram account in the description, so if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then send me a text. Now to export this video, click on this option and set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 30, and click on this export option to export the video to your gallery. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, I make all YouTube growth related videos, TikTok and Instagram related videos on this channel. So if you're a YouTuber, TikToker and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, a peace.